Hello, everyone, and welcome to Build. These next few days, we are focused on you, our builders.
We are streaming live from California. We have a number of exciting product updates and announcements for you today.
We want you to unlock the full potential of enterprise data with AI agents into data-driven actions.
Across industries, our goal, our priority is to eliminate the friction so that everyone in the ecosystem can get more value.
You will be immersed in learning and coding with some of the brightest minds in the industry. This is your space to learn, code, and be inspired.
This is a great time to be a builder. Gen AI is letting us experiment faster than ever. Agentic AI is expanding the set of things that are now possible.
If you are what you eat, then your model is what your model ingests. Are you feeding it well? How can you tell? This is the session for you.
Let's build.